Looking for a top-tier gaming laptop that won't break the bank? Let me introduce you to the ASUS ROG Strix G16, a powerhouse that delivers outstanding performance. No need to wait any longer, let's dive into why this could be the perfect pick for you. Right now, this laptop is available for under $1,300, an absolute steal for what you get. Looking at the past 3 months, you'll see that this price is consistent, staying well under $1,300. Sure, there are other gaming laptops hovering around the $1,500 mark, but after comparing the price to performance ratio, it's clear that those options don't quite match up. For $1,300, the ASUS ROG Strix G16 is the smarter, more value-packed choice. Trust me, you won't find a better deal at this price point. So, what's under the hood? The ASUS ROG Strix G16 is powered by an Intel Core i7-13650HX, a beast of a processor with 14 cores and 20 threads. With 6 performance cores that can turbo boost up to 4.9 GHz and 8 efficiency cores to keep background tasks running smoothly, this laptop is built for serious power. Add to that the RTX 4060 GPU with a solid 8 GB of GDDR6 VRAM, and you've got a machine that can handle pretty much anything you throw at it. But let's get to the real question. How does it actually perform in games? We're all about those FPS numbers, right? Let's see how this rig stacks up when it's time to game. Let's kick things off with Valorant. On high settings at 1080p, this laptop absolutely crushes it, averaging around 200 to 250 FPS and even breaking 300 FPS in certain situations. Perfect for those smooth, responsive gameplay moments. Now on to Red Dead Redemption 2. On ultra settings at 1080p, this laptop maintains a solid 60 to 65 FPS. And if you enable NVIDIA DLSS, you can get even higher frame rates. But let's be honest, since Red Dead is more of a story-driven experience, 60 FPS is more than enough for a smooth cinematic ride. What about GTA 5? On very high graphics with 4x MSAA, this laptop runs at around 100 to 120 FPS, though the frame rate can fluctuate depending on the chaos unfolding on screen. And don't forget Forza Horizon 5. This laptop handles ultra graphics at 1080p like a champ, consistently delivering 100 FPS at least. When it comes to performance, especially for an RTX 4060 laptop, this rig delivers exactly what you'd expect, and then some. Let's dive into the display. This 16-inch screen packs a 1920 by 1200 resolution, thanks to its 16:10 aspect ratio. What's the big deal? Well, you get more vertical space compared to the usual 16:9 displays, which not only enhances your gaming experience but also boosts productivity, whether you're coding or working on documents. Plus, with a 165Hz refresh rate, games like Valorant and CSGO will feel incredibly smooth, perfect for those fast-paced competitive moments. Under the hood, this laptop is equipped with 16 GB of DDR5 RAM, running at 4800 MHz, more than enough for smooth gaming and multitasking. Imagine watching a YouTube video while grinding through League of Legends. No problem at all. And if you need even more, it's easily upgradable to 32 GB or 64 GB. As for storage, the 1TB PCIe Gen 4 SSD blows the competition out of the water. Most laptops in this price range stick to 512 GB, but this SSD ensures super fast loading times, blazing fast performance, and enough space to store all your games and files without stressing about running out of room. Now let's talk about ports. On the left side, you've got your essentials: power connector, Ethernet port for that stable wired connection, HDMI port, 2 USB-C ports, and a 3.5mm audio jack. The right side keeps it simple with just 2 USB ports, easy to plug in your mouse, keyboard, or whatever you need. For an even better experience, I highly recommend hooking up an external monitor, just like this one. It'll provide you with a much better picture quality and sharper visuals than the laptop's built-in screen. Let's quickly touch on cooling. ASUS ROG Intelligent Cooling System is top-notch, featuring metal thermal paste and multiple vents to optimize airflow. If you didn't know, liquid metal beats regular thermal paste when it comes to handling heat, keeping your laptop cool during those intense gaming sessions. If you're ready to grab this beast, scan the QR code now or click the link in the description box below and check it out on Amazon right now. Looking to upgrade your storage or memory? No worries. Scan this QR code for a RAM upgrade, and this one for a larger SSD, or simply click the links on the description box below. This has been Marty, and I'll be seeing you on the next video. Cheers!